The Mexican state of Sonora is a big influence on the food in Tucson, just across the border from Arizona. But their shared roots connect deeper than that. So when a food craze takes off there, it quickly makes a splash here. I'm talking about the Sonoran hot dog.
Le das el güero, pero aquí también está el güero.
Uh-huh.
¿Sí, güero?
That's 20 years ago.
20 years ago.
Yeah. You like me more, here or there?
No, not there.
Okay.
That's so more worthy.
You like my long hair better?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Daniel, ¿cómo te dice la gente? What do people call you?
El Güero Canelo.
What's the canelo for?
Canelo is for my hair.
Oh, cinnamon.
Yeah, cinnamon.
And you know, they call me güera.
Güera, uh-huh.
You are legendary.
That's what they say.
So, how did you get here?
Years ago, I wanted to have something fresh in my mouth. Something very fresh. So I started selling very fresh, high quality fast food.
Where do you come from?
I came from Magdalena, Sonora, Mexico.
And what makes a Sonoran dog is?
The hot dog bun. For me, it's more tasty, you know, it's more, I don't know what it is,
Is
you
it
know.
más saladito? Is it more savory?
I put salt and sugar on the bread.
Whatever the secret is, the Sonoran hot dog has made its mark on the culinary landscape of Tucson.
This is how we steal the
güera,
bread.
güera. Oh.
Look at how soft it is. Taste it. Mira. Just the bread. Only the bread.
Very different from a normal hot dog bun because it's soft, but it's not as like fluffy, mushy soft. It's crisp in the bottom.
Love is in the bread. Now let me make your hot dog. The sausage with the bacon.
Wrapped
You
in
see
bacon.
the bacon? Pinto
Okay.
beans. See?
Those pinto beans that you cook in-house.
Every day.
And are they seasoned with something?
Butter.
La cebollita?
Butter.
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 Never seen pinto beans cooked with butter.
Oh yeah, it's love. And then you put a cook onions. And this is the famous güerito.
Okay.
Ah.
Then he tops the hot dog with raw onions, tomato, a jalapeño sauce, mustard, and mayo.
So this is for you.
Oh, gracias.
You know what you're missing now?
What?
A big bite.
A big bite.
Ah, see? You did a perfect bite. You're making me hungry.
The bread is crusty, so it tastes toasted, like nutty,
That's yummy.
yummy. And then the sausage is delicious. But I think that what I love the most is chasing it with the güero, which you just charred.
Oh,
So take a
One
look,
more
guys. Take a look.
one more bite.
Okay, ahí va, ahí va.
One more. Big bite. Ay, ay, ay. Mm.